So, Tamanna, take us through your CA journey. Which attempt was this of yours? And और से आपने पहले फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट आपका जो था तब आपने अगर कोचिंग लिया था तो जीएसटी का कोचिंग पर से इफ वी कैन स्पीक, तो व्हाट वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस देन एंड नाउ?
So this was my second attempt.
ओके.
My first attempt was in November 2023. एंड मैंने कंबाइंड कोचिंग लिया था जिसमें सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का आपको एक ही जगह से मिल जाता है. देयर थिंग्स डिडंट रियली गो वेल, particularly with respect to tax as a subject. Like I did not understand, and then I also feel like whoever like the faculty was, I just did not connect with him on a personal level. So I would find tax boring, and then I would also find ways to not really study tax, and hence I only failed in tax in group 1. And
Okay.
my friend actually recommended you to me, and that's how I joined your classes. So this was my second attempt. And then the GST journey, I feel like I also started liking tax as a subject a lot. That's when I realized it's more about the person and less about the subject.
So you had taken the classes online या offline?
Online.
अच्छा, ऑनलाइन ही लिए थे आपने. ओके, लवली. सो नाउ टेल अस थ्रू द एक्सपीरियंस पर से कि ऐसा क्या था जो उन्होंने करवाया था और ऐसा क्या था जो हमने यहाँ पे किया था दैट मेड द डिफरेंस, बी इट सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस ड्यूरिंग द सेशन और बी इट द चार्ट बुक और बी इट द एनर्जी दैट वी वर स्टडिंग विथ. व्हाट वाज इट दैट really made the difference which you thought ke yaar this was missing there that has been taken care of here?
You know, there is a lot of difference between padhana and samjhana. I feel like over there the only object was the child has to, almost gather everything, learn everything. They should know everything. Doesn't matter what's the logic behind it, right? That was never the objective of that particular place. But I feel like when I joined your classes, that was there. Not only were you teaching us, but you were also making sure we understand the concepts. I remember, in concepts like RCM, you would tell us that why companies are excluded. It's because they require more ITC. Those are things I still remember, is because you've explained it to us. And it wasn't just about memorizing it, mugging it up. That is one big thing. And I feel like for exams like CA, mugging up will never help you, because at the end of the day they could ask you anything, and only if I've understood a certain thing will I be able to conquer all the questions in the exam.
Correct.
With you, I think that was the biggest thing. You taught us everything, nothing was left out. There was no ABC category, everything was given equal weightage. That is very important.
Yeah, that
And
is
I
so
feel
true
like,
actually.
yeah, and it's so, I mean, I feel like you almost made sure that everybody was, having a smooth journey. Of course, there are a lot of students, and it's not possible for you to talk to everybody on one. But anybody who would, come to you with a problem, I have seen it with my own eyes that you have solved everybody's problem. You've sat down, you've told us everything, how to tackle everything, whether it be tax or not. Like, leave GST, just in general I'm talking. I feel like that was there with you, which over there it wasn't there. And then I also didn't like tax, as I said, but when I joined here, I have thoroughly enjoyed GST so much.
Wow, this is crazy actually. From not liking GST to, I remember as far as I can. Actually, I remember it very vividly that to attending almost all the lectures, right?
Yes, I've attended
And
every
also,
single lecture.
you did something which was way beyond your comfort zone, and that is getting up at 7 a.m., getting up at 6 a.m. so that
Six
you
things.
can get ready for the lectures at 7 a.m. I think you've never done that. That's a personal record that you've done for yourself, isn't it?
Yeah, especially my parents were so shocked. They could not believe. They were like, "Huh, take 2 days, 3 days max, I'll go." I have woken up at 6 a.m. almost for 1.5 month, every single day, attended every single lecture. And it's also very difficult for me, I'll tell you. I'm a very fidgety person. I can't sit at one place for like 3 hours, 4 hours. It's just not me. I like to roam around, jump everywhere. This was the first time I've sat down for a live lecture, 3.5 hours, 4 hours, no matter what the time is, sat down at one place and not like lose attention, because I have a really short attention span also. So
That's
I
an
also
issue
can't
with
believe
every
how
Gen
did
Z.
I.
But
Yeah.
this is crazy. I am extremely humbled listening to this experience because, frankly, I was always having this preconceived notion कि जिस तरह से effectively मैं offline से last 10 साल से पढ़ा रहा हूँ क्या मैं वो online पढ़ा पाऊंगा, right? But it's crazy to hear experiences like that, and that just makes me more believe that whatever I'm doing is completely on the right path, and yeah, gives me a lot of conviction to do the same and keep repeating the same ahead. So thanks a lot for that. That was something really special, Tamanna. Do you remember that during the sessions we did solve a lot of Q&As, right? जहाँ पे मैं बकायदा क्या है पहले सॉल्व करूंगा, फिर मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि अभी नेक्स्ट सम आप लोग ट्राई करो, and we covered by that, all the RTP, MTP, all the mixed bag questions, module के past year के paper के questions. How did that make a difference in your confidence and in your approach towards the GST subject per se?
Yeah, I feel like that sort of was something because you made us do all the questions from day one. So it wasn't like,
Yeah.
we left all the questions for the end. And by the end of
Wow.
like when exams are approaching, it gets so like, traumatizing almost that you're just like
Ah,
at the end the questions shoot hi jate hain na. So from day
correct.
one when you were making us do it, firstly the Q&A book, the OCOQ book, it was so helpful because you can revise it multiple times and then I would end up marking questions that were, a little
Hmm.
bit more difficult. And then there were a certain questions that were supposed to be tackled a certain way. Some questions that ICI has given a little vague answer. You made sure that you told us every single thing. So we had 3 days for tax. I made sure that I read every question that was either vague, difficult questions for me, difficult questions that you said were difficult. So that basically is very easy because then everything is there,
Falls
right?
in
Like I don't
place.
have to, yeah, falls in place. That's the word. So
Lovely.
that, especially the Q&A book, that is one of the best books. I think I've revised at least 4 or 5 times from that book because it's just so convenient.
It's also section wise, so it just helps in a way कि
Yeah,
यार कोई भी सेक्शन जो मेरा वीक है, मुझे उसे अगर टारगेट करना है तो पर से आई कैन जस्ट गो एंड फ्लिप दैट पेज एंड स्टार्ट डूइंग इट. So yeah,
exactly.
how did the Viva sessions help you? Because I remember that you also showed up in a lot of Viva sessions, and I remember asking you a lot of questions. How did that help you per se in terms of your conceptual clarity?
I feel like Viva helps in the quickness. I might remember a certain concept, but then sometimes it takes a lot of time to recall the concept. And while you're in exams, you don't have that much time. With Viva, you sort of get a hang of it, right? Because so you're asking questions so instantly. I don't have 5 minutes to think about the answer. I have to think about them as soon as possible. And there were multiple Vivas. So by the end of it, not only did I remember the sections, which were so difficult, again, I can't remember sections. I did remember all the sections. I, in fact, quoted all of them in the exam. So
क्या
you just
बात है.
remember everything. Everything comes to you really quickly. And I feel like that's one of the biggest advantages in exam because I don't have to like waste so much time thinking that what section was it, what was the concept, the
It
language.
was. It was.
Yeah, you get the hang of it. It's amazing.
And also, were there any times where you thought कि यार मैंने ये समझा गलत था पर ये है एक्चुअली गलत, मैंने समझा X था पर है एक्चुअली Y, while I was asking to someone else or while I was asking it to you,
So
because
many times.
that happens a lot of times, right?
Yeah, I remember there was this one question with ITC only, and I thought something else. I had used my brains and I was doing something, and that I did tell you. You were asking it to somebody else, and that's when I realized, oh shit, I've done it all wrong. So that has happened multiple times.
Especially in Viva sessions.
Yeah, Viva sessions, you just pick, right? There were so many actually points I remember. Like there was this one thing about
Association. हाँ.
unincorporated association, yeah, that thing, holding subsidiary. I was thinking it was holding subsidiary, but then it was something else.
Oh yeah,
I
yeah,
remember
yeah.
that.
Oh yeah, it was something else actually. अरे क्या बात है.
Yeah.
Wow, lovely. This is crazy. So I think I will have to continue with the Viva sessions ahead because that is bringing in a lot of value per se to the student in terms of his understanding of a particular concept. And it's not just कि ऐसा नहीं है कि बस नेम सेक के लिए कर दिया. That brings a lot of value per se.
Yeah. I mean, initially it did feel like, how could Viva possibly help you? Because you have to write a lot and stuff.
हाँ.
But when you actually go to the exam hall, that's when you realize that no, all of those things actually add up so much. It adds so much value to the content that you're writing in your answers. Because at the end of the day, you know the keywords, right? The other bit you can probably frame if you have great English or if you're great,
Correct.
if your language is stronger. So that helps a lot.
Yeah, and actually, Manav, we have never given Vivas after the school, I guess. So doing it
Yeah,
all of a
we have.
sudden now looks also pretty weird, but I'm glad it panned out pretty well. So fantastic. Generally, what happens is that people have these preconceived notions with the summary book or the chart book that it is not comprehensive, it is not exhaustive. कुछ ना कुछ तो इसमें छूटा ही है, right? What was your experience with respect to the 45-page summary book that we did, and did it help you revise quickly, especially during your preparation and also in the last day before the exam? Tell us through that, take us through that about your journey of how you did it and how you did it before also.
I haven't referred to anything, any book, even the ICI module. I'm telling this, I'm being very honest here, except the chart book and your Q&A. Because I'll tell you what, the concepts and basically everything, like the main major content bit you get from the 45-page chart book, and then the language of the answer, how you're supposed to frame your answers, how you're supposed to put the sections, everything is in the Q&A book. So once you get the hang of, why do you want to actually make in the effort to read such long, because GST in like the module is too long, and we need to understand we're not just giving tax ka exam. Now there are 6 more papers. It's much bigger. We have to make sure that we're doing it in a more effective manner. And chart book is efficient and effective in the best way possible. It's so convenient. Like I have abused my chart book. It's not even funny because I would only look at it because I would only want to look at the keyword, right? Why will I want to look at the entire sentence when I know I can frame the sentence in
Yeah,
exam?
yeah.
It's the best thing. I know, see, a third point of view, you might think it's gimmicky, but it's not. Like, trust me, buy that chart book, it'll be your best friend. It's so good. Like, hands down, I wish I had it for every like paper. It is the best thing ever. It's my favorite book ever.
मैंने एफर्ट डाला है सर ने उसके अंदर.
बहुत. I cannot believe like 40-45 page it's done. Like, and it's not like you've left out anything. I wrote the paper for full 50 marks. Every single thing. In fact, so many questions were from the Q&A book. And I'm telling you, there will be nothing that is not in that chart book. Like, it might sound very weird, but everything is in that chart book. Every single thing.
Wow, this is amazing, and it's crazy, when this comes from a student who was completely fearful of the subject, who has kept faith in a material and has only done that and is able to write entire 50 marks ka paper in the exam. That brings a lot of value on the table with respect to your credibility, that you're coming out with such a experience कि यार ये हुआ है और ये सच है. And I also feel sometimes that when a student thinks that सिर्फ 45 पेजेस ही पढ़ना है, राइट, और उसमें भी हम लोग मोस्टली डिवाइड करते हैं, राइट, कि अगर एक हफ्ता दिया है लेट्स से जीएसटी को, तो उसमें 7 days, तो जस्ट अराउंड व्हाट 45 पेजेस है, तो अराउंड व्हाट 5 to 6 पेजेस अ डे मैक्स आपको पढ़ना है, और वो भी क्या है, उसका साइज कितना छोटा था, तो दैट वी कैन इजीली डू इट. तो दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स अनदर लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस कि यार ये तो हो जाएगा आराम से, vis-a-vis looking at those fat books.
Yeah, true. Because it's so thin, it's you also get very motivated to study. I
Do
will not
that.
lie. Every time I didn't want to study, I'm like, हाँ ठीक है GST पढ़ लेते, इतना सही तो है.
Crazy, yeah, because it's done in a very precise manner, और बहुत ही
Yeah,
कम टाइम में हुआ था, तो क्या है, कम टाइम बट in an exhaustive way. So yeah, that actually is a very right thing कि यार
true.
we generally try to move towards or incline towards that subject which comforts us a lot. And it's so crazy yaar that I was able to do this, Tamanna. I did not know this, frankly, that you also feared GST equally as you feared DT का तो fear मुझे पता था तेरा, वो तो हम
I
लोगों ने
feared
क्या है
that.
मार मार के मैंने निकाला है तेरा fear कि भाई क्या है सीन, क्या है
True.
सीन. And till date, of all the students, I remember that you feared DT, and we made sure that you get it out. And it's so amazing as a personal journey that तुझे attempt लगा था for a reason, because there were few subjects that you were very fearful of, which you couldn't read in the way it should be read, and then you gave the exam. And now in the second attempt, do you realize there is a transformation, there's an inner transformation in you, where you faced your fears literally on point and said कि मैं टैक्स करूंगी, मैं डीटी पढ़ूंगी,
Yeah.
मैं जीएसटी पढ़ूंगी, एंड वो जो सब्जेक्ट मुझे टफ लग रहा है मैं उसको उतना ज्यादा पढ़ूंगी जिससे क्या मेरा डर निकल जाए. एंड देन यू अपीयर्ड फॉर द एग्जाम, एंड लुक हाउ लाइफ इज, दैट टैक्स पेपर आल्सो केम आउट टू बी सच दैट यू अटेम्प्टेड, आई गेस, मुझे पता नहीं, तूने 80 या 90 मार्क का शायद अटेम्प्ट किया था, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग.
80-85ish around
80
that.
85, right? And that too with conviction, that too with the fact कि यार अच्छा लिखा है जो भी लिखा है, and there is a good
Yeah.
chance कि you can get an exemption. So I was really amazed to see that text of yours when you had sent me. And this is crazy transformation, Tamanna. पर से आप, मैंने तुझे भी लगता होगा कि यार कुछ ऐसा अलग किया इस बार जो शायद पहले ना किया हो?
Yes, very, yeah, genuinely, I feel like when I failed, when I got my results, I did not cry because I just saw it coming. When
You
I
saw
gave
it
my tax
coming.
paper, I knew, yeah, I saw it coming. I knew I wouldn't pass. This time I put in 100 times more effort and I made sure that I went fully prepared. And just because I fear a certain paper, that paper won't be easy for me. Like the examiner won't be like, oh, Tamanna is fearful for
Hmm.
that paper, so I'm gonna make it easy, right? It's not gonna be like that. I have to give I gave, in fact, I feel like more than me, you gave me a reality check that go study because it's not going to be easy and you have to make your
Do it
own way.
anyway. Do it anyway.
Yeah.
And that's how it came out to be easy, right? And that's how you felt it was easy, because you did
Yeah.
everything on your bit to make sure that it happens, and it happens in any way. And yeah, like I'm so happy and proud of the fact that ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने बोला और तूने बस एक टाइम किया. You kept doing that every time. You kept pushing that, and I'm sure after the mentoring sessions were done, you still must be of the opinion कि यार करण सर शायद अगर होते तो बोलते मुझे कि यार पुश करते कि यार कर, अभी 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 डीटी नहीं आ रहा, अभी ऑडिट नहीं आ रहा, तो ऑडिट कर करके.
Very true. Yes. The mentoring sessions also, I feel like if we keep the GST part, aside for a minute, the mentoring sessions also helped me so much in my personal life. Like being it, just the simple fact that being grateful for everything that I have today. Like it's the simple things. Initially, I wouldn't be grateful at all. I was just always whining that, oh, I don't have this, I don't have that, this is not going my way. But at the end of the day, I make sure that I'm grateful for everything. So I feel like mentoring sessions also were so good. I miss them so much.
अरे यार, this is so nice. Truly I miss them too. And it's amazing how I and Mansi ma'am had contributed in the same. And if this even one child out there who's changed for good, the objective is clearly accomplished. I have seen you all asking, interacting with the accountability groups, and and conducting sessions and stuff like that. Throw some light on that. Throw some light on accountability groups. How was the interaction? How did that help you?
I think again, accountability groups was one of the really smart things that we did. I'll tell you why. Because see, when you're going for offline classes, you see people, and even if you're having a bad day, you see people that somebody's working harder than you
Yes.
today, right? So you get the whole like, no, because at the end of the day, the results are limited. It's going to be the same, right? 10, 12%, whatever
The
it's going to be.
competition. Yeah.
So I have to work hard. So with online, that sort of gets a little means taken for granted that you're in your
Because
own
वो
world. Today, if I'm not
पर्सपेक्टिव
having a
नहीं
great
मिलता हमको. हाँ.
huh, today if I'm not having a great day, I will not study. Simple as that. But with accountability groups, every day people are just sending that okay, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this. So you instantly sort of take yourself in a guilt trip that how did I not study today? And they also hold you accountable and you also hold yourself accountable. So when you look at them, you're equally motivated. And we'd also end up conducting viva sessions for other papers, by the way.
Really?
I've got to tell you that. Yeah, we did it for law. We did it for income tax also. And yeah,
Crazy.
for
Crazy.
law income tax. So that was great. I think it was, and those are people that you also end up talking to after exams. So you also end
They
up
become,
making
I
friends.
feel they become friends for life in some or the other way.
Yeah, some or
And
the other way.
because there is an affinity, right? When someone holds you accountable, they're coming from a place of concern and care. कि क्यों नहीं किया है तूने, right? And when
Yeah,
you see that all of a sudden, which you clearly missed in the last 6 months, you all of a sudden start feeling कि यार अगर ये इतना concerned है मेरे लिए, तो मैं अपने लिए क्यों concerned नहीं हूँ? And I feel that made
exactly.
all the difference, कि यार, let's do it. Let's just push ourselves even further, even
Yeah,
let's stretch a mile more than what we can, because that's how life per se is, and that's how the C exams are. So when I used to see those stats, I used to really be amazed कि यार मैंने नहीं सोचा था इतने हद तक ये जाएगा, but you all really made it a super performing concept कि यार this works if people want them to work. And clearly I could see that in one of your groups, and then there's Muskan and Pritesh, and that group. So
yeah.
oh, kudos to that. Lovely. Tell me one more thing, Tamanna, with respect to the OCOQ book, which was a very creative and innovative thought per se, because I never thought I would come up with this and in such less time, because there were so many other things that I had to take care of. So one concept, one question, right? Where we basically, जैसे ITC है अगर, तो उसमें वी मेक श्योर दैट जो भी redundant adjustments है, तो उसमें 50 क्वेश्चन है, वी वुड bring it to just 5 questions which has all the adjustments for RTP, MTP, past year paper, module, right? Everything. How did that help you? And on the last day of the exam, did you refer that?
Yeah, I did. I actually referred the OCOK book more than I referred the Q&A book because I'd already revised it much more. OCOQ is just very quick and, again, as I said, efficient and effective. Because as I said, I was really confident in GST, right? So I had to, even though we had 3 days, I wanted to give a majority of my time to income tax because there's just too
Correct.
much there also. So OCOQ is just so it's so quick. Like, you revised that one chapter from your chart book and then you're like referring the OCOQ. So you're simultaneously, doing both the things and it'll get over so quickly. Like, I was almost done with GST. I think 1.5 day I was done. Like the day that my law exam got over
क्या
and the
बात है?
next day. Done with GST. It was so easy, so quick. And you also get a lot of confidence during that time because you're covering the syllabus faster, right? So you're just like,
Faster,
हाँ ठीक है,
yeah.
ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया. So there's a lot of motivation there also.
By any chance, did you happen to have any conversations with a friend of yours who was not a student and vis-a-vis understand the perspective or insight or context के यार ये तो I am feeling much more confident and looks like that's not the case everywhere. Did you ever go through that or experience that? I'm just asking a random question which I have not even written.
Yeah, yeah. So there are two other people that were studying, like self-study, or that took classes from different places. And when I looked at them, they just, like, don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to be mean or anything, but I just felt so sad for them that, like, God bless them really. Like, in the exam, God will only help them because they were A, all over the place, B, like, even, because we did end up practicing a lot of questions. When they would ask me questions or to solve something, especially in GST and everything, I would be like, how could you possibly not solve
Know
that
this.
at this point of time? Because it's not like we have 4, 5, 6 months left for exams. We're like 15 days pehle, right? When I looked at them, like, I really felt so sad ki God only help you because they were all over the place. They were referring 10 different books. They were genuinely all over the place. I felt so sad for them. But yeah, they just didn't know what to do. And their exams didn't go well that well.
Now you know
yeah.
whom to recommend.
Yeah, I've already recommended. I think they're waiting for the results.
Oh damn! This is crazy. I did not know this because I thought the only friend you had was Mahi, who referred you at the right
Yeah, she
place.
referred me. Yeah, she's one angel
Mahi is
for
your
me. She'll
best
recommend
friend.
me.
You know she cares for
Yeah,
you.
a lot.
And your friends know that you don't.
No, I did. They all wanted to see one. So I feel like I'll tell you one thing with, like, students is they don't trust their faculties. There's no trust factor. And sometimes you have to put in the faith. Like, they're teaching, they're here for a reason. And I'm telling you, 99% of the time they'll deliver. Like, you have to sit down, trust one faculty. I could have referred 10 different books of 10 different faculties, but I had that faith in you that whatever he's doing, obviously he's not going to play with our lives. He's teaching so many people, right? You have to have the faith in whatever faculty you're learning from and then just go ahead with it. Just trust them.
I'm so happy. This is a very emotional and a extremely underrated conversation that anyone has ever had. And I'm so happy that you did this. Makes a lot of sense, Tamanna. Thanks a lot for telling this to the entire student fraternity because these are a few mistakes that we do, especially when we are learning online, because there is so much of content available everywhere.
Yeah.
One quick thing. Tell me one thing that about the FMM series, right? Did you watch them? Did you have the time to watch them? Was it like, KR, this is my me time or this is my leisure time? Let me go through this. And how did that help you in any way? Did that make you laugh or help you revise concept? Quick thoughts on that.
A lot of times because they were also put on Instagram. So Mahi and I would send them to each other and we'd have a great laugh. Because actually most of them were so funny. Like, we'd actually laugh out loud. And yeah, they were helpful. It would eventually come on my feed, right? And it would barely take any time. So I was like, might as well just, like, watch one video. And it was one video a day. So it didn't, like, I almost watched, I think, all the videos. I don't know if I missed a 2 or 3 video. I don't know, but most of them I did watch.
Yeah. The last thoughts were the 24/7 WhatsApp helpline, doubt solving helpline that we have. Uh, what was your feedback on that? कि भाई सर क्या है, डाउट सॉल्व करते थे, जवाब देते थे, कितने टाइम में देते थे? What was your experience on that?
नहीं देते थे. I think I did end up asking. I used to, by the end of, I think, during April, start April, mid-April, I did ask you a lot of doubts. Initially, like, I would only try to solve them, but whatever little bit doubt I did end up having, you cleared almost everything before 24 hours, I'd like to say, like the same day or like in a few hours. So that was not a
Yes.
problem ever.
And did you go through those important Q&As that we did from the RTPs, MTPs, mixed bag questions, which was basically compiled in a way that आपको last 5 साल के 5 साल के RTPs या MTPs ना देखने पड़े? So did you go through that?
I preferred the OCOQ book. That I think
Okay.
the
That
PDF that
also
you did
contained
send,
it. हाँ.
yeah, it did have almost everything. So I was like, I was anyway only referring to OCOQ. I was like, this has everything because I did check once. So like, this is my thing. I'll just do this.
Lovely. Last two questions coming up. While you were entering the exam hall in your taxation paper number 3, group 1, and while you're sitting, putting your water bottle on the table and, taking your tools, जो पेन है आपका, ये है वो है, निकाल दिया आपने, सप्लीमेंट आ गया. What was the feeling that you were going through this time vis-a-vis, the last attempt that you gave?
See, up until I saw the question paper, I was so nervous. My dad went to drop me to the center, and I was literally a mess in the car. Not even kidding. Like, you could see, I was shivering, and then I was feeling so nauseous. I was like, I don't know how will I go there, and I just did not want to disappoint myself, you, of course. How could I disappoint you, and even my parents for that matter? So if I don't do this right, I will be so disappointed this time. But I went, and then again, even while they were giving, the papers and everything, I was so nervous. But then I opened the paper and I was like, I'm going to kill today. The moment I saw the paper, I'm like, yes, I can do this. I will pass. I will.
Wow, lovely. Did you
So
go through the
yeah,
GST part first or DT pass?
I did the GST first because, again, like for me, GST was way better than income tax. Like, I was more comfortable. And also, when you start quoting sections in exam hall, I'm telling you, there is no better feeling. There is no better feeling. It was so good. I was even, there was some other level of satisfaction. So you get a lot of confidence.
And
Leave
yeah.
section, we quoted subsections also. So that was the even on another level only.
Lovely. And how was the previous attempt while you were writing the taxation paper?
God, so bad. So my first 3 papers, as I said, went amazing, and I was not going to lie, pretty confident that I will be able to tackle this paper because it was not like I did not study anything. I did study income tax way more than GST. I will agree to that. But when I wrote the paper, I just did not know how to deal with the paper. I was all over the place. There was no time management, like basically a mess. So when I came out of the paper, I knew that I had to like do this all over again just because of one paper. This time I was much more conscious. My time was managed well, and I was more, prepared
Controlled.
and organized. Yes, I did not let the situation take a control over me. So yeah,
Maybe
I
because you
handled
were
pretty
well
well.
informed and
Yeah,
well read, I will say, and well practiced. Because हम लोगों ने जितनी
agreed.
questions में practice की है, I don't think so किसी ने शायद की हो, because that was the biggest fear that I saw in students कि सर सब लोग थियरी तो पढ़ा देते हैं, बट क्यूए ने कोई साथ में बैठ के करवाता नहीं, और हम लोग कई बार वो करेज नहीं इकट्ठा कर पाते कि हम लोग वो करें. एंड थॉट इज कि बस मुझे बैठना ही है सिर्फ. ओके, और अगर मैं
Correct.
10 क्वेश्चन करवा रहा हूँ तो 6 मैं कराऊंगा, 4 तुझे करने हैं, पर वो तू 4 कर पाएगा बिकॉज तू 6 मेरे साथ बैठा है. एंड आई थिंक दैट मेड ऑल द डिफरेंस, कि यार कि यू ऑल ब्रोक दैट मिथ कि इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू
Yeah,
दोज थिंग्स. इतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं है
it's
वो.
not.
अगर क्या है, कोई बैठ जाता है सामने और कर लेते हैं तो वो हो जाता है, एंड इट्स प्रीटी मच मैनेजेबल. वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज तमन्ना के नाम है अपना जीएसटी फास्ट ट्रैक एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड बैच, इट्स नॉट अ रेगुलर कोर्स. तो अगेन अ क्वेश्चन पॉप्स आउट कि सर यहाँ पे सब कवर करवाते हैं क्या, कुछ छोड़ देते हैं क्या? whatever, you know. So what's your take on that?
This shouldn't be called a fast track batch. First things first, this is not a fast track batch. This is a proper batch where he'll teach you properly everything. I am telling you, like, for me, initially, I did think that fast track because my GST initially was not great. I did not know a lot of things. Basics were not clear. But it was just like the normal course. Like, I genuinely did not feel it was fast track at all. And I remember this also during like the initial classes, after every, like, an hour, you'd ask us whether the pace is nice, whether we are understanding the first few concepts. So that helped a lot because you were at the right pace. You made sure that you're not just, going ahead. You're taking all of us with you. That is very important. And it's not like everything was covered. You'll understand everything. And I'm happy that I took the fast track course because it also got over early and I did not miss out on anything. At least not that I think I did.
Wow, that's actually very well said. It also got over early, and we also did not miss out on anything because it was comprehensive at the same time. So that was
Yeah.
exactly the objective that was to be achieved, and I'm glad it did. Now, last few words: if someone wants to, opt for the GSTA fast tracked exam oriented course, why should that person go ahead with it, and what are the benefits that they should look forward to while they opt for it? Make sure you first remember all of the things that we've done and you say that.
Yeah. Okay. So first things first, like giving given the exams and everything, the content you get is crazy. I'm not lying. It's too good. It's so comprehensively put. It's amazing. The content is too good. The books and everything is amazing. Secondly, the lectures. I'll tell you, it's so difficult for people to sit for 3.5, 4 hours at one place and just pay that kind of attention. And I can vouch, not only me, but a lot of my other friends that were attending the class, they were so attentive. All of us were so attentive. We understood everything. We were sitting there and not once did we just lose that kind of thing. So you'll have that kind of experience that it's almost as if you're, it's like a face to face class. So I'd highly recommend that. Third, you also end up building a community. You meet new people, you see their perspectives on of learning, if this is your second, third, whatever, nth attempt.